Good morning students, in continuation with the practical third semester, today we are preparing a regional cuisine in which we are preparing a fusion dish, a Pahadi chicken. Actually, we are using nettle leaves and nettle leaves are easily available in Uttarakhand and nettle leaves are also used in many preparations. Nettle leaves are basically called in Hindi bichu घास and in Gadwali region it is called Kandali. So Gadwalis are very common in the preparations. Gadwalis are very fond of eating kandali ka saag. So here we are preparing a fusion menu, a Pahadi chicken in which we will be using nettle leaves for our we will prepare our nettle leaves and chicken together to make a Pahadi chicken. Then another thing we have over here is we will be serving jhangora, a regional staple diet of Uttarakhand. These are it is used as a rice with this preparation, and I will be showing you the misa which we have done for the Pahadi chicken. So here we have taken around 500 gram of chicken. Then here are nettle leaves which I was talking to you earlier. These are the it is actually a grass which is easily available, and we will first boil it and then we'll make a puree of it, and then we will prepare a Pahadi chicken in this. And then over here we have 150 grams of tomatoes, around 200 grams of onion, then jakhia, a local tempering of Uttarakhand cuisine. Then over here we have ghee which we'll be using for the preparation. Then we have one bay leaf over here. Coming over here we have a ground paste of coriander, ginger and garlic and green chilies. Then over here we have turmeric, slits of green chilies and juliennes of ginger which we will be using for the garnish. And over here we have made a paste of the same paste which I was earlier talking of ginger, garlic, corianders and green chili. Then we have some whole spices, red chili, big cardamom. Then we have some cinnamon sticks. Then we have black pepper. Over here we have coriander seeds which we have roasted, and then jeera also, which cumin seeds which we have roasted. So basically we in Gadwali cuisine we don't use big cardamoms and the whole spices, but as I have earlier told you, we are preparing a fusion menu. So to give a flavor, to give a nice flavor, we are using some whole spices over here, and then we will make a paste of it, and then we'll use it in the preparation. Coming over here we have jhangora, which we will be serving with Pahadi chicken. And now coming over here, we will start our preparation first with the marination of chicken, in which we will use half lemon juice, then the paste and some turmeric and some Indian spices, in which we will be using red chili powder and salt, a little bit of salt. Now we'll mix all the ingredients properly so that all spices and paste get a nice coating in the chicken, and we will let chicken to marinate around half an hour. So now students, we will start our preparation. For the first, we will boil our nettle leaves because it have a small fibers which are we will let these leaves boil in order to cook them, and with this we will be adding some garlic cloves and ginger and some salt. We will let these leaves cook, and then we'll make a puree of it, and we will use it in the preparation. So students, as you can see, we have boiled our nettle leaves, and then we will be making a paste of it. So authentically, naturally, you can also use a mixer grinder for making a puree of this. But we are as we are preparing a Uttarakhandi cuisine, we are using the traditional silbatta for this, for the making of puree of the boiled nettle leaves. So as you can see, we are making a paste in this silbatta, and then once the paste is ready, we will further go for the preparation of our pahadi chicken. Meanwhile, as you can see, our chicken is getting marinated. Once the paste is ready, we will further go, and then we will fry our chicken, and then we will make a pahadi chicken. So now we'll be starting our preparation. First, we are tempering our nettle leaves paste. To start with, we are starting with some jakhia, a local tempering, then one whole red chili, once jakhia starts crackling, we will take our nettle leaf mixture and mix it with our tempering, and we'll cook a little bit so that the rawness in the nettle leaves get removed during the cooking process. Some garlic cloves, and then our paste of nettle leaves. So we will cook it for the little amount of time till our nettle leaf mixture releases oil. As you can see, it has already started releasing oil. You can see edges, our ghee, nettle leaf paste have started cooking and started releasing the oil. So to start with the preparation of our pahadi chicken, now we will roast our chicken, and we'll make a masala of it, masala of onion and tomatoes. So we will require some oil, around 2 to 3 tablespoons full of oil. Then we have some bay leaves over here and whole big cardamom. So to start with our preparation, now we will add chopped onions, so now students, as you can see, our onions are pretty brown now, and now this is the time to add our 1 pinch of turmeric for the additional color. And now after adding turmeric, we will add our paste which we have made, a ground paste of cumin, coriander seeds and whole spices, along with garlic, green chilies and ginger. Now we will add little bit of water as it is getting dried and sticking in the bottom of the kadai. So now as you can see, our paste has started leaving oil. Now we will add tomatoes, so now students, our masala is ready. It is the time to add our marinated chicken in this. The chicken has marinated pretty well. We have marinated around, it was marinating around from half an hour. Now we will add chicken and we will cook it along with the masala. So now students, as you can see, our chicken is cooked little bit. Now we will add some warm water, so in allowed to to cook the chicken very properly. So now students, it is the time to add our nettle leaves paste in the preparation. So now we will add our nettle leaf paste in the preparation, which will give it a signature taste in the chicken. So basically, along with the fusion, the dish is very nutritious, as you can have the protein of the chicken and the nutritious values of nettle leaves. Now we'll give it a nice mix so that all the mixture gets fish, and also some warm water. So now students, meanwhile our Pahadi chicken is getting ready, we will further move to the preparation of jhangora. For this we have boiling water over here. We will add our jhangora, which we have soaked for around 10 to 15 minutes. Jhangora doesn't need much time required for the soaking as compared to the rice. So students, we will let our jhangora cook around 10 to 15 minutes. Then we will strain the excess water from the jhangora, and we will serve it with the Pahadi chicken. So now students, our Pahadi chicken is ready. Along with it, we have served barnyard millet, that is jhangora, and we have topped it with a small cube of butter. Traditionally, jhangora is served with the clarified butter, that is ghee, but we have served it with the small butter cube. And over here we have portioned our Pahadi chicken, and we have garnished it with some cubes of butters and green slit chilies and juliennes of ginger. You can see the texture and thickness of our Pahadi chicken. So basically it was a fusion preparation. We have mixed two ingredients. Generally Garhwali people prepare kandali ka saag and then eat it with roti and other staple meals like jhangora, koda, but we have mixed two ingredients with it. We have used our chicken and nettle leaves paste, kandali ka saag, and then we have prepared basically it is an imitation of saag chicken. Saag chicken is a very popular dish in the North Indian cuisine. It is you can easily have it in the restaurant. This dish is easily available in restaurants or hotels. But now as I was telling you, we are preparing a fusion menu. So I have taken one local ingredient from our regional cuisine, that is nettle, kandali, bichu ghas, and then we have prepared it with our chicken, and we have prepared a Pahadi chicken. So students, thank you very much. Have a nice day.